Hello everyone, I am here with our number 5 with our 3-ring super simples. This is the neutral butterflies. On Etsy I called them beige butterflies. So if you see that, then just realize they're the same kit. That was just a mistake that I made. Here are our first 4, and we are just going to continue working through. They're so much fun. So let's just continue with that, and I will show you how to put this one together. Now, if you look at this, you'll notice I had a mishap. So this is actually take 2. We're gonna make sure we get it right this time. And I'll tell you what I did, and then so you don't have that same issue. But to start out, I printed everything onto my lightweight 110-pound cardstock. And I printed my neutral onto the back. The neutral's included. It's on the back of every page except for this main big page, because that's going to be glued together. You won't see it. Also keep in mind we need to steer clear of this space here, about a 3/4 inch to a 1 inch space on either side. Just keep things out of there that are going to be in the way, because we're going to be hole punching through that if we're using that hole punch method. So this is where I went wrong, you guys. I glued this pocket down first, and then I glued my flap on top of it. So when I opened it, I had glued the pocket shut. So I peeled that up, and we're going to glue this flap down first. So let's redo this. Don't mind the mess, because now you know, so now yours won't do it. I thought, oh, I'll just continue, but then I thought, no, because now people have glued it down. So I restarted it. We're going to glue this down first. And it's a flap, so just glue that flap. There we go. And I'm a little bit over on that. That's okay. It's because I glued it second. So no worries. It's going to be under my flap. Just going to gently trim that down just a smidge. Then I'm going to ink it, because now I've got rips here, but it's okay. You guys will do better on yours. So I apologize. That was silly. Okay, so we have our flap in. And next, this pocket is meant to go down on 3 sides. So you're gonna glue here, you're gonna glue here, and you're gonna glue here. Now, I come over and glue this whole area here, so that I'm not tempted to stick something in that pocket where it's gonna get hole punched. So just a heads up there, that's why I glue all of those sides down and that extra space there. So I'm going to get my top and my bottom glued back down. Yours will be much neater. All right, now we have this fun adventure, but good news, we got lots of cute stuff in the kit to fix that. So we've got our flap and our pocket in. Now I did this cute fussy cut and this cute little embellishment here. There's a lot in the kit, so you can decide. I made this little tag. There's a fun tab you can add. You could also add lace up there if you wanted, or an eyelet with some ribbon. And I added this just for fun, just to give it that extra 3-dimensional look. This right here is already part of the kit. It's already on that digital, so you don't have to add that. Now that's going to fit much better, because this isn't glued on the top of it. So we've got our fun big tag. And now we go about the business of trying to make that not look so bad. But we can finish up inside here. So inside this flap, I created this cute mini pocket. I guess I could put the little pocket on this side this time and cover up my boo-boo. Yeah, why not? We can do that. Normally I do it over here. So on yours, you can do it on this side. On mine, I'm going to come over here and kind of try to cover up that fun adventure that I had. My fun detour. So you can do either one. It'll be covered up either way, and it'll be cute either way. So let's see. I'm trying to think if there's something I want to add to this little cute thing. That'd be cute. I'm just gonna add that tiny little extra for fun. And if you want, you could do an eyelet here too. I'm trying to avoid making everything too bulky, so I'm just gonna leave mine like that. Now this is fun because you can also add some extra cute stuff here. You could add one of these additional fussies, which would be cute. I think what I want to do is I want to add a little label, and then I'm going to go ahead and on the other side, now that I have that flap, and I'm going to make sure that's not sticking out because I don't want it to stick past here. That's just personal preference. But I think on this other little flap, I want to make a cute little butterfly collage. So I'll use these little fussies and make a fun little collage. That'd be a cute spot to journal too. And so now we have had a happy little accident that turned out into a cute butterfly collage. So that's fun. And I think it's good to remember that you don't have to use your kit the way I do. I see some really creative ideas over on the Facebook group that you guys do with things, and it's nothing like what these are, but they're just gorgeous and awesome. So I love to see your inspiration. Okay, so there's that one. We could add a few more bits if we decide to later, but let's do the other side and see where we get on that one. This also could go in here. I made that cute one too to go there. So you can have two in there, which is cute. All right, now this is one of our fun little circle pockets, and it's also going to be an actual pocket. So we're going to glue down the three sides. Decent amount of glue because this is going to be a heavier piece with all the folds in it. It just has more material in it. Let's scooch that down just a hair because this is our cute piece that's going to go in here, and it's a little taller. So we don't want it popping over the top. And I probably am going to just pick that up and slide it just a hair. Oh, look at that already. You guys, that's okay. It just looks like ink. I just wanted to get it a little bit further from that no fly zone right here. All right, now you have to decide if you want these on the top or if you want these on the top. I think I like the pattern up top, so we'll plan on that. I created a square to go in here, and it serves two purposes. It serves for some extra stability, and it can also just be a fun photo mat, a journaling card. It's nice to have that cute extra layer look right here. So you can use that however you choose. I think, I'm trying to decide. This would be a cute little thing to have right there. I could also add another tag in here if I wanted. I think I like it. I think I'm gonna do it. It'll just be a cute little extra. I think really quick I want to punch that tiny hole out. There we go. That'll just add a little extra detail to it. That hole really wants to stay. There we go. All right, so now to put this together, we're gonna do 2 hole punches here and 2 eyelets, and then we're just going to tie them shut with some simple twine. So let's go ahead and do that. The way I do that is I eyeball the first one, and then I shut that, and it just kind of helps me see where I need to do my second one to keep them in line. So I just kind of make a little mark there so I see where I'm going to be punching. Punch that out. Then we need our 2 eyelets. It probably would be easier if you do the eyelets before you glue this in, but either way will work. Uh-oh, that eyelet is defective. You don't want a defective one. Let's try this one. There we go. Much better. Beautiful. All right, so cute inside there, we have a cute journal spot. Those go down first, then these come down, and we can either use some of our, look at these cute things. I'm trying to decide if I want it striped or just regular. Let's use this nice neutral. And that'll just be to tie that shut. Super, super cute. All right, so we have this, and I think it'd be fun to have a little extra pull thingy up at the top. So I'm gonna use this one. Oh, do you know what? There it is. I wonder if this one would work for a pull. If I can pick it up. That'd be cute. Okay, I'm gonna do it. It's different. I like it. Something a little different. Sometimes it's good to have a kit. It kind of forces you to step out of your normal zone of how you do things. I want this butterfly somewhere. I'm thinking it would be safe to put it here because everything would cover that. I'd see it right there. Would that bother me? What about here? I like that. So that when you open it up, you have a happy butterfly right here. I think I'm going to do it. So just notice that you don't want glue up at the very tippy top because those wings might come up and over that edge a little bit. But that'll be cute. It'll work. There we go. That little end is spraying. That's okay, we'll get it. Here's what we'll do. We'll just go to the other side. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just tie that off so you can see just how that's gonna end up going. And I do have a few other little bits. Maybe we'll make a tiny little collage. Now we know that that could get hole punched, but that's okay. I just want to use these up if I can. They're just all so cute. And then I have this one. That means there's only one that I didn't use, and there's a lot of bits in this kit, so lots of fun places to hide little extras. There we go. And then I have one more, and I bet I can find a spot for it. Yes, perfect. I did not plan this out. That was pure serendipity. I think I want it this direction. Whoops, there we go. Cute. All right, so there we go. Couple of silly hiccups that hopefully you won't make because I did, and you can learn from my error. But we have our cute little circle pocket that's going to open up just like this with our cute butterfly. I love that. That turned out really cute. And the tag in back. And then we have our cute flap with our butterfly collage, our teeny tiny pocket, and then our big pocket with our bigger tags back behind. So anyway, that is number 5. We're working through these really quick and we're having fun with them. So stay tuned. We've got the last half coming and then we're going to put it all together. It's going to be really pretty and really fun. So thank you so much for watching and we will see you again soon. Bye.